Hi, my name is Nina Jones, and today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite add-ons in the Chrome library. Open up a Google Doc. I opened up an assignment here to show you what this all means. And you go click over here to add-ons, and it's the tool called highlighting tool. I'm going to show you how to get the tool, how to create a set, and how to export and import the set, as well as having your students use it in their classroom on an assignment. So first things first, if you don't already have this highlighting tool, you click on add-ons, and into the search box, just type highlighting tools. If you misspell it, it's fine. It will figure it out. Here you will find the highlighting tool add-on. You will have a blue free plus sign on yours. Click that. It will ask you to allow it, and you want to allow everything. And then it will be then found on your add-on tab here, like it is on my page. Did you get all that? All right, now to start the tool, you want to click Start, and it will open up to this sidebar. And here you will get all of your different sets that you create. So let's create one. Click on Highlighter Library. Yours will be empty. You can see how I have all these different sets that I've already created. And I'm going to show you now how to create one. I'm going to delete some of my old ones so it doesn't get too crazy. And we're going to go ahead and create a new set. So click on New Set. If you have a lot already, you have to scroll down your sidebar, and let's create, I'm going to create one that says narrative writing, because that is the title of my assignment that we're going to be showing you. I have three things I want my students to do. So the first color is yellow, and this one are any keywords. So any keywords in the writing prompt on this particular assignment, they're going to highlight in yellow. To add another color, click on the plus sign, and you will click on the color, and that will get you this tool right up here. And the next one I'm going to do is a light canary blue, and I click OK. And here I'm going to label this jobs. In my classroom, we identify things that we have to do in a writing prompt by the title jobs. I want to create one more color, and it's going to be like a purplish pinkish color. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to press OK. And here I want the stories that we have read in this unit will be in the instructions, and I want them to highlight that. So I click Save, and that creates your set. And you can see your set right here. Now I want my students to get this set so they can either create it by themselves like I did here, or a much simpler way is to export your set. So you go back here to add-ons, go to highlighting tool, and you want to export your library to either the current document or a new document. I do the current document, so when my kids open up this document, they can simply import it into their library. So it will pop up like this for them, and I press export, and now that library is available to my students because it's on the bottom of their document. So when they open this document, and they must already have the highlighting tool like we did, and this pops up, and they click on import, and this clicks up for them, and then they would click import, and that would get them to, I'm going to press cancel because I already have it, that would get them their sidebar tool. Hope that makes sense. Now to actually implement this amazing tool, which is mind-blowingly amazing. All right, so here are my instructions. I'm going to highlight keywords. So I need to, I'm not going to bore you with reading all of this. I'm just going to highlight a few words, fiction and nonfiction. That's important. So I'm going to highlight that in yellow, and it clicks it for them. I'm going to have to go here and click contrast. I feel like that's a key word, so I'm going to just click it, and it automatically makes it yellow. Model my story. So it's another key word there. And now blue. Blue are the jobs I have to do. These are all my jobs that I must include. I'm going to just highlight all that, click it blue. I have to write a fictional narrative. That's a job. I have to make sure the character is seeking justice in an unjust society. I click that blue. Anything else? No. Then in pink or purple, whatever that color looks like to you, I'm going to highlight the stories we actually read in this unit. And so it mentions it here. The Gladiators of Rome was the story we read. And so I'm going to click it yellow, pink, purple, whatever that is. And we also read the story from North Korea. And I'm going to highlight that pink. So here are my highlights. These are what the kids would do on their document. And it's really cool. Look how cool that is. However, the coolest part hasn't even happened. Down here, when the students are done, there's extract highlights. You can extract by sequence, and that would get each highlight its own column. Or you can highlight by color, which is what I preferably like to do. So they would click by color. I like to keep it in the current document, so when they turn this document in, I can see their work. They extract it, wait for it, it's coming, click the X, and on the bottom of your page, are you watching? The very bottom, you can see what your students did. Ta-da! Keywords. Here is everything they highlighted. Jobs. This is everything they thought were jobs. Stories. This is everything that we read. So there you go. Quick and easy assessment. Check your kids. Do they understand what you wanted them to highlight? And it's just really great. One of my favorite tools. I'll show you what it looks like by sequence. If you click down here by sequence, again, current document, extract, and on the bottom, you will have it by color. So keyword yellow, and then it goes, each one gets its own column, so you can see the difference. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try this out. This is one of the coolest things that I have done in my classroom that really helps my kids understand annotations, and it's digital, and we don't have to mess with paper and pencils and highlighting. And I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day.